name is Avery, and I am going to try and make a slingshot. We'll need a texture, tape, and a pencil and an elastic band. So first, what you do is, first you've got to get this elastic band and put the elastic band over the texture. Then you use some tape and tape on the elastic. I will just put this bit on to here. Now cut it. And now you've got a slingshot. See? You've got your own slingshot. And now just get a pencil, put it in, then load it. So I recommend putting the pencil in so it hits this and then pulling it back to make it easier. And there's one more thing I forgot to say. The smaller your elastic band is, the harder it is to load, but the longer the slingshot goes. The last bit is actually very hard. Don't. Yeah. Now, look. No! No, I don't like it when this happens. Now, look.